To the strong and brave CFAG Villamonte, thank you for responding to this call to attend a 4-day training and allowing yourselves to be trained, to be empowered, so you can be able to engage and serve as the first responders during fire incidents. In your own little way, you are making an impact into the lives of the Villamonteanans. To Fire Chief Inspector Stephen G. Hardeliza and BFP, through your program, Uplan Ligtas na Pamayanan, our gratitude for including Barangay Villamonte for CFAG training, so together, in our collaboration, we can promote awareness and fire safety community. And lastly, to Capromel P. Flores and Council, it is my pleasure for giving me this opportunity to be the chairman on the BDRMO. And together, we are making an impact into the lives of the Villamonteanans by empowering those behind the BDRMO. Madamo nga salamat, Capromel Flores and Council. To God be the glory.
To our courageous and dedicated men and women of the CFAG component of Barangay Villamonte, we are indeed grateful and honored that you open up among yourselves to be trained and to acquire these skills so that we could combat whatever eventuality that would arise within the community, more particularly during the fire incident. And in behalf of the Council of Barangay, we are also very much thankful to the Bureau of Fire who spearhead this training of CFAG for Barangay Villamonte, as we believe that this is one way or another to show the Bayanihan spirit for the welfare and sake of our community, to ensure a safe and sound environment. And we believe that we work together in accordance with what we have learned. So, for your 4 days of training, we believe that you submit yourself of your hard work and dedication so that you would acquire the skills, the knowledge, so that we could be more equipped while we're going to combat for our future endeavors to suppress whatever fire incident that would occur here in Barangay Villamonte and even during eventualities or disasters. That's why we believe and look forward that it's not only the end, but this would be the beginning of your labor of love to the community, because we believe we love Barangay Villamonte and we believe through Bayanihan spirit we put into actions. That's why we have to work together to make our communities safety and more livable, and things to be proud of, that this legacy of your service would mark to the hearts and mind of the people of Barangay Villamonte, that you serve to the fullest without any due compensation, but because of your love and care to the people. in order that the people would live in accordance what they would expect for us as first responder of fire. So, for all of you, congratulations and good luck to the upcoming events, and we look forward that there will be no fire incident here in Barangay Viramonte in the future.
Water wall.
Nagapaabot kita sa pagpanginbulahan sa mga miyembro, no? Kag mga leader sang Barangay Villamonte, especially sa ila CFAG, Community Fire Auxiliary Group, sa ila tapos sa kapat ka adlaw nga training, full training under sa Oplan Ligtas Pamyanan Program. Saligid kami kag pati kami nga ang inyo nabalaan kag ang inyo presensya magabuligid sa pumuluyo sa Villamonte kag sa bilog na syudad sa Bacolod sa responde naton sa sunog kag iban pagid nga emerhensya, no, sa inyo barangay kag sa aton sining palibot. Ang training nga ginhatag naton sa inyo ibalik naton sa pagserbisyo sa komunidad kag sa serbisyo publiko. Mabuhay Barangay Villamonte, CFAG Villamonte.